Here at Attivo, at the request of our clients, we created the Attivo Dedicated Cloud. A dedicated cloud is different than, say, Amazon Web Services, where you have to be the one who handles all of the installation and all the care and feeding and so on. We handle all of that for you as part of the overall service that we provide. First and foremost, the cost savings has been proven over and over. Cost savings from not having to invest in server equipment, operating systems, database management systems, and the care and feeding that's necessary for those systems. Transitioning to the cloud takes a lot shorter than you might think. Once we've agreed on price, signed a few contracts, it takes us 2 to 3 days to provision the servers for you, install the applications, and bring over a copy of your data so we can begin testing. Our cloud services are managed 24/7, 365 by actual live help desk personnel to ensure that you can access your applications when you need them. Some of the advantages of being on the cloud is, first and foremost, you are out of the IT business. We're managing all of that for you. We're handling all of the backups. We are in a secure data center with access controls and antivirus and firewalls that, frankly, the small business cannot afford. It takes data security and control to the next level.